So now we're going to talk about visual management and standard work. So visual management is a big part of Lean system, very important, and we'll understand why and how, right? So have to think about different ways to look at. You have visual controls, visual display. You have a defect error and share information. These are all benefits of visual management. Okay, so let's take a look at what it is. So here we can see two offices, right? This is my office at home. No, it's not. I don't have this hula hula dancer here or this picture of a dog. So what is the problem here, right? So, okay, we can see that it's a mess, but why is it a problem? And here, this is a warehouse, right? Why is that a problem, right? It is a problem because you can't see what's going on, right? You can't see if you're doing as you're supposed to be doing or not. And that's the key part of visual management for a lean system. You want to see if things are going according to what they're supposed to be doing or not. If you have a mess here, you don't know that. In addition to that, you're going to spend a lot of time looking for stuff here, right? You're going to find stuff here that you lost 10 years ago, right? Like this TV here, probably you lost like 30 years ago. You're going to find things here. You're going to lose things here. You're going to keep tracking of things. The same thing here. You're going to lose things. You're going to take more time to find them, and that's a waste of waiting time. You're going to have to take things that are in the way, and that's another waste of transportation and waiting time. You're going to lose things here. You're going to produce it again that you thought you didn't have, and you have it again. Those three things, I see that all the time, and I saw that a million times in all kind of different industries. Doesn't matter how technology they are or good they are. Sometimes it is a mess that you have to fix it. This is the same thing, right? You have inventory everywhere, things that you don't know what it is. And some people can look at this and actually don't find it to be a problem. And that's one of the key parts. So I'm going to play you guys a video and they're going to discuss that as well. So people working here years and years and years, they look at this and they don't see a problem anymore. So you have to come with the fresh eyes. You have to come with the mindset of saying, okay, if everything is not organized with order, with everybody knowing what it is and what to do, it's not good, right? And that's a totally break into the kind of status quo or the mindset that people have. That's why it is so difficult. This is also a mess, right? Materials everywhere. Where are my tools? Do I have the tools? Do I have the materials? Did I lost them? A tool that is used for visual management a lot is called 5S, and in offices as well as in manufacturing plants. So 5S comes from five words in Japanese. I'm not going to make you know each one of them, like the Seiri, Seiton, Seisu, and probably someone knows how to do that, spell that better than I do. But finally, someone find out 5S's in English. So that's sort, store, shine, standard, and sustain. So we're good with that. And basically, it's a methodology to how to clean, how to change these things and make it organized and standardized, right? So you have to, the mindset that I usually have is that you have to understand everything that's going on, even if you're not from that area and from the department. That's how good things have to be organized, right? And clean and maintained. So one step is the sort step, where usually you take everything that's there. So imagine your kind of parents or your garage, which is usually a mess. You take everything out and you start finding out what you actually use or your parents use or you don't use, right? And you do the red tagging. So usually we separate an area from the plant. We put everything that we think we're not using on that area. And then for everything, we're going to ask the three questions. Is it needed? In what quantity? And where should it be located? So you put those tags there. And some of them are, and a lot of things usually are not used, right? So whatever is left that actually are being used, I can store and organize in specific ways. So here you have more description. I'm going to read it. But basically is store things in a designated place. So I have a designated place for everything. with a name associated with that. So I know if it's not there. Next S is shine, being that it have to be clean. If it's not clean, I'm gonna lose my organization, right? So clean carefully, put that on the daily routines, standardize, have checkpoints to maintain that, and that the sustainability is an audit. So usually we set up audits to managers or leaders to go there and check. So these habits don't fall back, right? That's the big problem. Doing all the cleaning of a garage is very easy, right? Everybody does that. The problem is how do you sustain it throughout the year? And that's not like a Christmas thing where you know the Christmas tree plan, which is just organize things when it's Christmas and then take everything out. No, you want to keep those things organized all day long, so all year long. So you have here some examples of before and after real case, right? So you have too many things that you need to get rid of. So sometimes there's too many inventory, too much inventory there. That's why you don't have space to put everything, right? And then you have to find out, okay, what is the right quantity? And also you have to dedicate places for these things. This is how it should look like. So you have a space for everything. Everything has its own position and you know where you are, where it is, right? Here's another example here. I have all the instruments. Remember that mess with the table there? This is a table a little bit better organized. Another organized area. I have all the tools here that I need. I have everything with the destination specified where it is and what is the good place, okay? So in a part of the 5S is to create these visual management. Yeah, I know this video is too big. Let's go to the next one.